Hi guys, I am back. As you know, I'm Shweta and this is my YouTube channel Quick Facts Official. In this video, I am going to tell about armadillos. Do you heard this animal before? Okay, let's see some interesting facts on it. But before starting, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Come, let's get started. What does armadillo name stands for? Armadillo means little armed one in Spanish. But there are how many species in total? There are 20 species in total. Only one armadillo species is found in the US. The nine-banded armadillo is the only armadillo species that migrate to North America. It was long limited to humid subtropical areas of the US. When armadillos are threatened or frightened, they jump straight up to the height of 3 to 4 feet. Brazilian three-band armadillos are Lazarus species. What is this Lazarus species? Let's see now. They were once thought to be extinct until 1988. Animals that are wrongly assumed to be extinct are known as Lazarus species. The Brazilian three-banded armadillo is listed as vulnerable by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, and considered endangered by Brazil. Which is the extinct species of armadillo? Giant glyptodons are the armadillo's extinct species. Glyptodons are the ancestors of modern armadillo. They were heavily armed, dinosaur-sized early mammals. In 2016, scientists determined glyptodons were subfamilies of armadillos that first appeared 35 million years ago. They became extinct around the end of the last ice age. Coming on to their rest time, as nocturnal animals, which means active at night, armadillos perform burrowing, foraging, eating and mating at night time. During the day, they spend 16 hours sleeping, usually in burrows. Armadillos rarely share their burrows with other armadillos. The unique thing is, they share them with tortoises, snakes, and rats. Armadillos spread leprosy. Yes, armadillos are the only non-human animals to spread leprosy disease, and it is also known as Hansen's disease. Research believed armadillos acquire Hansen's disease from 15th century explorers. Humans get Hansen's disease by hunting or eating their meat. We think that all armadillos are capable of rolling into balls, but it's not true. Only two species are capable of doing it. The species that can curl up into tight balls are Brazilian armadillo and southern three-banded armadillo. Why not others? All other armadillo species have too many plates, making this level of flexibility impossible. Which is the largest armadillo? The giant armadillo is the largest of the species. They weigh 45 to 130 pounds and their body size is of 5.9 feet long. Their primary threat is of hunting for meat and habitat loss. Now the smallest one is pink fairy armadillo. This armadillo is 4 to 6 inches in length and weigh about 3.5 ounces. The sad thing is, once they get popularized on social media, has led to an increasing number of being captured for pets, a situation in which most of them die within 8 days. Armadillo shells are used for musical instruments. Will you believe in it? You should, because charangos, these 10-stringed instruments, are an integral part of traditional music in Bolivia, Chile, Ecuador, and Peru. While they were once made from an armadillo dried shell, contemporary, they are generally made with woods. They are good diggers. Yes, they can dig complex underground systems during the day. Armadillos situate themselves in underground burrows that can be 20 feet long, so deep. These tunnels can lead to more than 12 different entrances to the surface, so only it's easy to escape from predators. It is an official state animal. In the state of Texas, the nine-banded armadillo is the official state animal. It is also known for its impressive swimming skills and ability to hold its breath for up to 6 minutes at a time. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. In next video, I come up with something different. Until then, take care, stay tuned, bye.